be pronoun. Teachers teach because they care. Teaching young people is what they do best. It requires long hours, patience, and care. It is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber, and future of an individual. Recently, our Tagore Foundation School Kolkata witnessed a very special workshop. Two children from abroad who are in no way trained as teachers taught the kids of our school. They taught the classes of nursery and playhouse in a beautiful, interactive and interesting manner. They explained various topics such as colors, shapes, seasons, stories, etc. using pictures and charts. It was a really innovative and wonderful experience overall for our kids, and we would expect and await for such more classes from Abhik and Aditya. Thank you.